For all the hibiscus lovers out there, we have a beautiful batch of hibiscus on this particular bush. It's doing very, very well. Beautiful green leaves, beautiful red flowers. And then right next door to it, we have another one. We treat it exactly the same way. It doesn't seem to like us. The leaves are a lighter green. They seem to be starting to curl up, which brings us to bush number 3, which is this one, which once again gets the exact same treatment as the other two. They have the exact same dirt, the exact same water, the exact same fertilizer. If anybody has any ideas of what we're doing wrong with the last two, we would greatly appreciate it. Leave me a like and a comment. Follow us. Let's see what we can do to make this all better.